Children, let's begin now to estimate the sum of each pair of numbers to nearest thousand. What is the rule to find the nearest thousand? Underline the hundreds place. Okay, when you underline the hundreds place, if it is more than 5, you should add 1 to the thousands place. Now let us see, here it is 8. And if it is 8, now more than 5, what we need to do? Add 1 to the which place? Thousands place. So let us write. The steps are same. Nearest thousand equal to how much? Here to nearest thousand equal to how much? Therefore, required sum equal to, let us solve. So let us do, children. If it is 8, add 1 to the thousands place and we have this number. And this 3 digits you write 0. Here less it is, so write 3 digits 0. And add now. And what answer will you obtain? What answer you get here? We get 90,000 as our answer. Now we have to estimate the differences to nearest 10. Now what is the difference? Let us see. Nearest 10. We should minus. Estimate difference means what? We should minus the answers. Let us solve. It is same. But here we are adding. Here we need to minus. 10 means see the ones place. So write 82 to nearest 10. Okay, let us do the same procedure. Okay, only we need to minus, add, subtract. Okay, therefore difference. Okay, what is the difference we get? Difference, therefore you can write difference, required difference. Okay, I'll just write here R dot required difference equal to how much? Let us do this. Less than 5 now, 80. This is more than 5 now, 30. 80 plus 30, 110. So 110 is our answer. So, oh no, sorry. We are minusing here, children, sorry. 80 minus 30, sorry. What is the answer we get when you find the difference of 80 minus 30? We get 50. Correct? Is this your answer? Okay. Let us move for the next one. We have to find the differences to nearest 10. See here the which place? We should see the ones place, not the hundreds place. Okay. Next, what we need to do? 508 to nearest 10 equal to how much? Then 248 to nearest 10 is equal to how much? Okay. So now we need to find the required difference. Please write the full form of this. Okay. DIFF. Okay. DIFFERENC equal to. Let us see. So what we need to see here? 8 is in which place? Ones place, and it is more than 5. Add 1 here and how much you will get? 510. 8 is more than 5. Add 1 this side, 250. So required difference, what you will do? 510 minus 250. So let us solve. 510 minus 250. I think you solved and you got 260 as the answer. Now let us estimate each difference to nearest 100. Okay, I did not write the question here. So let me write here. Now what we need to do? For the nearest hundreds place, we should round off and see the difference of the number. So I'll write the question 769 minus 314. Okay, children. So let us do this. Okay. Now we need to write hundreds place then here. Underline the ones place. 769 to nearest 100 equal to how much? Remember, we are finding the difference. We please don't do the mistake as I did earlier. Okay. Remember here we have they are asking the difference of the number. So again, nearest one 100 no? Equals to, okay. Therefore, required what we are finding? Difference. Equal to how much? Let us do, children. Yes. 6 is more than 5. So add 1 there and it becomes 800. 1 is less than 5. So it is 300. So let us solve 800 minus 300 equals to 500. So did everybody get this answer? I hope so everybody has got 500 as the answer. Let us move for the 6. Estimate each difference to nearest 1000. So what we have here, if it is thousands place, you should underline the hundreds place. Now here 9, here 7. So what we do, please write the same procedures, okay? Like 45,974 is to nearest 1000 equals to how much? Okay, just a crooked line, let us do it. So next 38,766 to nearest 1000 equals to how much? Fine. Therefore what we are finding? Required what? Difference. Let us see. Required difference, how much we will get. Fine. Now what we need to do? We need to add 1 to the thousands place. So what we get? 46,000. And what we need to do here? 7. More than 5 now? Add 1 here. What do you get? 39. Okay, just 39,000. So calculate 46,000 minus 39,000. See the answer. How much you get? 46,000 minus 39,000. You get 7,000 as your answer. So I think you solved as your children. Okay, then write 7,000 as the answer. Next we have estimate the following products by nearest 10. Products means what? You should multiply the given numbers to the nearest 10. Underline the ones place and write here 49 to nearest 10 equal to how much? 52 to nearest 10 equal to how much? Therefore, what we are finding a required product, no? Like a required product equals to, let us see, here 9 more than 5, 50 to less, so 50 multiply, what is the answer? 250. Did you get the same answer? Yes. Let us go for this. Ones place 53 nearest 10. How much? 85 to nearest 10. How much? Therefore, what you are finding? Required what? Product. No? Equals to, let us solve. Yes. Here 3 less, 50. 5 is more. Then what? 90. So 50 multiplied by 90. 450 will be your answer. Everybody solve. Solve and try to find whether you are getting the same answers or no. Okay, so I think so you have got how to solve the given numbers. Now, here we have, we have only few questions to solve. So remember, you need to find the correct product. Okay. Now, as we did here, correct multiply. Okay, here 2,500 children, not 2,050, and here also 4,500. Remember that. So once again, check your answer. So if your answer is 2,500, 4,500, so same steps you follow for the other sums also. So everybody need to calculate and find out. Don't go to do direct. Draw a solution box, solve there. So maintain some steps. Okay, follow some steps for the solving the exercise. Okay. Okay students, let's move for the 8. Estimate the products by rounding off to nearest 10. We have the number here. When we need to round off to nearest 10, what we need to do? Underline which place? Underline the ones place. Okay. So, okay. So, we need to round off here to nearest 100 children, not tens place. Okay. Just a slight mistake, I will write here 100. Fine. Okay. Estimate the product by rounding off to nearest 100. So concentrate on which place when you estimate the product to nearest 100, on the tens place. Okay. Now let us do this. 477 to nearest 100 equals to how much? Fine. Next 213 to nearest 100 equals to how much? Next what we have? Therefore required product we should find. Okay, let us see the required product. Now here what we need to do, if it is more than 5, add 1, you get 500 to 100's place. If it is less, what you should do? Like 200. So 500 multiplied by 200. So we have 1000 as our answer. Okay, now we have 10,000 as our answer. Next what we need, we have 472 multiplied by 320. Underline. Okay, same procedure. We need to write 472 to nearest 100. Okay, what is nearest 100? Then 328 to nearest 100 equals to how much? Therefore, required product equals to. Okay, let us solve. Fine. 7 add 1, 500. 2 is less, 300. So 500 multiplies 300 how much? 15,000 is our answer. So children, please solve and try to find out the correct answer. Okay, there are other sums to solve also, that is your homework. Fine, let us go for 9th. Estimate each of the following number products by rounding of each number to nearest 10 and other numbers to nearest 100. So what we have? We have to round off first number to nearest 10. Okay, and the next number to nearest 100. So when we round off to nearest 10, what we need to say? Ones place. Hundreds means what we need to say? Tens place. So let us write a 28 to nearest 10. Okay. So what we need to write? 30 and 287 to nearest what? 100. Okay. What is the answer if it is nearest 100? 300. Okay. Therefore required. What we are finding? Required product. How to find the required product? 30 multiplied by 300. What we have? 9,000 as our answer. Fine. So let us move for the next one. 44 multiplied by 250. 44 to nearest 10 equals to how much? 4 less. So it is 40. Now 250 to nearest what? 100. Yes, equals to how much? Doesn't know, no? So let us find out. Tens place you underline. 5 more than 5, it is 300. So let us calculate. Therefore, what we are finding? Required product. Are you following? What are you finding? Required product. So what we need to do? 40 multiplied with 300. So what we have? 12,000 as our answer. Fine. Let us move for the 10th one and the last one. Estimate each question by converting to nearest 10. What we need to do? These numbers we need to convert to nearest 10, and last what we need to do? We need to divide these numbers. So let us solve. 87 divided by 28. So tens means you underline the ones place and write 87 to nearest 10 equals to how much? 28 to nearest what? 10 equals to how much? Therefore required quotient. So what you are finding here? Required quotient we are finding equals to 87. Okay, we should write the values here. Okay. Now 7 is more. So what it is? 90. 8 is more than 5. So what it is? 30. So what is the value when you divide? What is the question you get? 90 divided by 30. What is the question? Divide. 90 divided by 30. What do you get? 33 is 90. Yes or no? 33 is 90. So you know the method of solving. So it is, our answer is 3. 3 is our answer when you divide. 90 divided by 3 we have 3. Next second one we have 84 divided by 33. Okay, now this is nearest to 10. Let us see. Okay, 84 to equals to how much? Doesn't know. 33 to nearest 10 equals to how much? Therefore, we have the required question. So let us solve. Okay. Now 3 is less. So what we need to write? 840 and 3 is less. What we need to write? 30. Now let us divide 840 divided by 30. What is the answer? Try to calculate and say what is the answer you get. 840 divided by 30. Okay, I hope so you got the answer. What answer did you get? 28. How did you get? You just divide. 840 divided by 30. This method also is 3 2s are okay, we have 328. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus here and 2 3 8s is 24. That is 28 is our answer. Okay, so we finished the exercise 2b. Children, I've given only few sums here on the board, like only 2 sums I saw, 1 sum, 3 sum, beginning I saw 4 sums. So children, this is a example for you how to solve the exercise. So other sums I know you can solve it very well, okay, and please solve properly, okay, and you have any difficulty, please try to solve it and practice them, okay. Then follow the methods of writing and keep your notes completed. Okay, so here we finished the exercise 2b. Thank you.